What's up, everybody? Let's talk springs today. So a lot of people don't know, Melling actually manufactures their own valve springs. We're one of the few companies in the industry that actually manufactures their own valve springs. What's this give us? This gives us the ability to control our quality and our process on these springs. We make a better spring than just about anybody in the industry. Today we've got two new valve spring kits for you. Part number VSK46656-LT. This is a kit with chromoly retainers. So we've got a dual valve spring, Melling manufactured obviously, chromoly spring seats, chromoly shims, valve seals, valve locks, and chromoly spring retainers. Specs for this kit are 147 at 1'8", 406 at 1'230", solid height is 1'100", OD is 1'290", ID is 678 thousandths, spring rate of 454 pounds per inch. Kit's also available in part number VSK46656T-LT, which includes titanium retainers. So if you're looking for a spring kit for your LS engine, check out this kit as well as all the other spring kits Melling has to offer.